Parenting in the animal kingdom is a remarkable showcase of nature's creativity. Across every environment, from ocean depths to mountain peaks, animals have developed unique ways to bring new life into the world and give their offspring the best chance at survival. Among mammals, parenting often starts with live birth and continues with nursing. Mothers provide milk rich in nutrients and antibodies, while in many species, fathers defend territories, bring food, or even carry the young. Birds are equally dedicated, building nests, incubating eggs, and working tirelessly to feed their hatchlings. These nurturing strategies reflect a deep investment in each individual offspring. Insects and reptiles, however, usually take a more hands-off approach. Rather than caring for each young, they rely on producing large numbers of offspring. This strategy increases the odds that at least some will survive, even if most are left to fend for themselves from birth. From penguins balancing eggs on their feet in the Antarctic cold to frogs carrying tadpoles on their backs, animal parenting is full of ingenious solutions. These behaviors can be tender, fierce, or even self-sacrificial, proving that the instinct to nurture runs throughout the... When it comes to parenting, the animal kingdom is full of surprises. Take the seahorse dad, for example. After the female lays her eggs, he carries them in his pouch, providing oxygen and nutrients until they hatch. In the icy world of emperor penguins, the male stands guard over a single egg, braving freezing winds and hunger for 2 months to keep his chicks safe. On the other hand, elephant mothers endure nearly 2 years of pregnancy, and once the calf is born, the whole herd helps raise it, teaching vital social skills. Polar bear moms show incredible dedication too, staying in their snowy dens for months without food while nursing their cubs. Even crocodiles and wolves, often seen as fierce, are devoted parents, protecting and nurturing their young with remarkable care and teamwork. Some animals go to astonishing lengths for their young. Take the giant water bug. The male carries dozens of eggs glued to his back, fanning them with water to keep them oxygenated until they hatch. In the amphibian world, Darwin's frogs have an even stranger approach. The male swallows fertilized eggs and carries them in his vocal sac, eventually releasing fully formed froglets from his mouth. These strategies protect vulnerable offspring from predators and harsh environments. Birds and insects have their own extreme parenting methods. The hornbill mother seals herself inside a tree cavity with mud, relying on the father to pass food through a narrow slit until the chicks are ready to emerge. Some beetles and wasps create nurseries stocked with paralyzed prey, ensuring their larvae have fresh food when they hatch. Not all parenting is hands-on. Some shorebirds, like the notorious cuckoo, practice brood parasitism. They lay eggs in other birds' nests, leaving unsuspecting foster parents to raise their chicks. Cuckoo chicks often hatch first and push out the host's eggs, monopolizing care. Perhaps the most extreme sacrifice comes from the octopus mother. After laying thousands of eggs, she guards and cleans them for months, never leaving to hunt. She dies of starvation just as her offspring hatch, showing that in nature, parenting is always about survival. Animal parenting reveals that there is no single right way to raise the next generation. Evolution has shaped countless strategies, each uniquely suited to its environment, showing us the remarkable diversity of life's solutions. Some animal parents, like whales, invest years nurturing just a few calves, while others, such as sea turtles, produce hundreds of offspring and rely on numbers for survival. Both approaches have stood the test of time, proving their effectiveness through millennia of natural selection. These wild parenting styles highlight adaptability, resilience, and the importance of cooperation, patience, and sacrifice. When we see penguins braving the Antarctic cold or elephant herds forming protective circles around calves, we recognize echoes of our own instincts to protect and nurture our young. However, animal parenting faces new challenges. Shrinking habitats and climate change disrupt delicate strategies. Sea turtle hatchlings struggle with light pollution, and polar bear mothers lose hunting grounds as sea ice melts. Protecting these animals and their environments helps preserve these ancient parenting traditions. Ultimately, animal parenting is a story of life's determination. It reminds us that, despite our differences, we share a universal drive to give the next generation a chance to thrive.